Ever wondered if a compact tool can truly deliver industrial-level performance? Stick around to discover the surprising limitations of the Makita XDT20T. That might make you think twice. The Makita Impact Driver is a powerhouse wrapped in a sleek, compact design. At just 4.5 inches in length, it's built for versatility, allowing users to maneuver in tight spaces without compromising on power. Its lightweight construction, only 3.3 pounds with the battery, ensures comfort during extended use, reducing fatigue even in demanding projects. The ergonomic rubberized grip further enhances control and comfort, making it a favorite among professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. This tool's standout feature is its brushless motor, engineered for efficiency and longevity, capable of delivering up to 1,590 inch-pounds of torque and variable speeds reaching 3,600 RPM. The XDT20T effortlessly handles heavy-duty fastening tasks, whether you're driving screws into dense materials or performing delicate operations. The 4-speed power selection ensures the right setting for every job. The inclusion of assist mode and tightening mode adds another layer of precision by preventing screw cam-out and overdriving, making it perfect for tasks requiring finesse. Practicality doesn't end with performance. The Makita is designed for usability. Its 360-degree LED light illuminates the workspace effectively, ensuring accuracy even in dimly lit environments. The compact design is paired with advanced safety features, such as overheating and over-discharge protection, safeguarding both the tool and its lithium-ion battery. Despite its premium features, some users might find the rear-positioned speed selector inconvenient during operation, requiring a hand adjustment mid-task. The value-packed kit includes two 5.0 amp-hour batteries, a rapid charger, and a durable tool bag, ensuring you're ready to work straight out of the box. While its price tag of around $400 places it at the higher end of the market, the Makita justifies the investment with exceptional build quality, reliable performance, and thoughtful features tailored for professionals and demanding users. Don't forget to check out the Amazon link in the description for the latest deals and offers. So, what are the pros and cons of choosing this tool? First, let's look at the cons. The rear-positioned speed selector may be less accessible during use, higher price point compared to some competitors. Now let's look at the pros. Compact and ergonomic design for ease of use in tight spaces, high torque and versatile speed settings for various applications, advanced modes to prevent screw damage and ensure precision, comprehensive kit with batteries, charger, and tool bag included. For a reliable and versatile impact driver, consider the Makita XDT20T. Check out the Amazon link in the description for the latest deals. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and to comment on the video for more reviews.